So I was driving around the other day with my fiance and I put the heater on and she goes, "Ugh, what's that smell?" And it was my AC or my heater or whatever, but the air out of the vent smelled like the inside of a beehole, which tells me it's probably time to swap out the in-cabin air filter, which I have 2 brand new ones here I got on Amazon. They're not OEM, they have good reviews, they're like 25 bucks. Let's pop them in and see if it makes the smell more better. Before you even get started, do yourself a favor and move the passenger seat all the way back. For tools, all you need is a T20 Torx and a screwdriver, or however you want to do it. I have a cool bit set. I'll leave a link in the description for a similar set. You need that, and you need these, because everything else is the old-fashioned yank it out. All right, so what you gotta do is you turn the 2 twist clips like this, and then you wanna pull here like that. This whole thing comes down. All right, once you get this panel down, you have this footwell light, and instead of trying to remove the harness from the actual light, I'm just gonna push this one end and push it down like that. And then you can pull it out. So you see how there's a clip right there? Just push on it. All right, once you get that panel off, this is your cover for your air filters. And you have 2 T20 screws. You have one here and you have one here. And unscrew them. Unscrew them with passion. Get out of there. And I'm hoping these look disgusting because that will explain the stinky. If they look clean, then I might be a little bit worried. Okay, now that that's off, take this little vacuum line or whatever the hell that is off, some breather hose. You see that? Just pull it off. Yep. And then it should just pop right out. There you go. Ugh, dude, that is grody. Fudge brownies, that's nasty. No wonder it smells like an inside of a dog's asshole. Dude, I want to breathe this in while I'm pulling it out. All right, filter 1. Ugh, bro, fuck me. Okay, airflow. You want to note the airflow? Airflow goes this way. So you see the arrow right there? All right, that's air filter 1, air filter numero 2. My tiny guy. Oh, dude. Ugh. I'll bet this has never been changed. And the 42,000 miles this car has. Whew. Time to open my brand news. Here's the 2, and they have filters indicating this way, which means you want to point them this way. Can you guys see how gnarly? So this is the old one, obviously. And then look at the new one. Dude, airflow goes towards the hood, towards the front of the car. All right, filter 1, let's slide her in there. Get in there. Well, it's just gonna be like that until I get the other one in. There's no like retention or anything. It just kind of gets held in with the filter. This one, with the cover, I mean, this one actually seemed to kind of stay. All right, well, it's gonna be a little tricky. This will be fun. All right, here's the 2 brand new ones. Let me just double check the, yep, airflow's good, airflow's good, both pointing forward. All right, so the back of the cover has these little teeth on it. You see the brackets on the right and left? That's what those teeth slide into. Isn't that neat? All right, we got the filters in. Just line up these little plastic teeth. God, you're worthless. There you go. All right, did I get them both in? All right, we're clipped in. Let's attach this hose. Let's get the screws back in. Cool, and that's it. Now, let's reassemble the panel. All right, let's get this stupid little light back in here. And it goes like this. Lights in. It gets you into place. Want them to look like this. You see that? That's how they go in. That's how they're locked. So you want them to both be facing you like this. All right, so let's twist them in the right way. Boom. And oh, you make me so mad. You make me so mad. Dude. All right. All right, so now let's start her up. I'm wearing my sweaties, don't judge. It's a foggy day, dude. It's a good sweaties day. Air is on. Let's turn the AC on. I honestly can already notice a difference in smell. That's a trip. Put the AC all the way cold. It just smells like brand new. It's a stupid way to, I know it's dumb. What I said was really dumb. I can just smell that the filter's new. Okay, so a week and a half later, I just got this package from ECS Tuning because I bought from them the OEM cabin air filters. Why? Because the ones I have in there are cheap, shitty ones that smell awful. That new smell I was talking about in the car, yeah, that was probably crappy materials, whatever adhesives they use, and it's probably not very good to inhale the entire time when you're in your car. And my fiance got in and she's like, ugh, what's that smell? She's super sensitive to chemical-ish smells. And I was like, you know what? This is bullshit. I'm just gonna get the OEM. And guys, I tried to get OEM filters on Amazon. Look, the reason why I got these in the first place is because I thought, oh, big deal, cabin air filters. And Amazon, you can usually get them the next day or 2 days. And I was just impatient. I didn't want to wait. But turns out you get what you pay for. These from the dealership are $150 locally. They were $25 on ECS, and they came in like 3 or 4 days. So moral of the story is just get the OEM ones. Again, I tried my hardest to get Hengst, Man, any quality company filter on Amazon, and I could not find them for the G30. I've ordered 2 separate filters. Here, I'll show you guys. I ordered 2 separate sized filters, and they're all like these big boy style. I got these and I got these, and they're just way wrong size. And blah blah blah. Anyway, I'm gonna pop these in. I'm gonna let you know if there's a huge difference. Mainly, I'm just curious. The other ones had a weird smell when I first put them in. I'm gonna pop these in, let you guys know how that goes, and see if there's a weird smell with these. I can almost guarantee you there won't be. But let's put it in. They give you a little documentation as well, which is kind of nice. With the first one, these actually have a tighter fit. The other ones wanted to fall out pretty easy. That's kind of cool. I don't know why I like that, but I make it feel like it's more better. So off the bat, there is way less of a smell than those third-party filters. I'm telling you now, just get the Hengst, use the link in the description and get the OEM filters. Also, guys, before I sign off, I have just crossed 2,000 followers and I'm so pumped. I can't thank you all enough. This is a really exciting time for me. And again, I say it all the time, hearing you guys or reading your comments and responding to you and interacting with you has been such a fun journey. It's just so fulfilling to me, and you guys do make my day with all of your comments and all your feedback. And I just, again, love doing these, love sharing what I'm doing with my G30 with you guys. And as always, let me know what you think I should do next. A couple people have told me to do the reflector delete mod, which I'm 100% gonna do. I'm looking into a new diffuser and a new spoiler. Exhaust is definitely in the works, as well as an intake, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pull the trigger on the MHD Stage 1 flash tune. Stage 2 will be soon to come. But anyway, all that being said, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me that you guys are subscribing and sticking around and checking out what I'm doing. And until next time, have a good one.